Imagine waking up every morning without the stress of a 9 to 5 job. That's the life of Alex, who achieved financial independence at just 40 years old. Instead of rushing to work, Alex spends time traveling, pursuing hobbies, and enjoying life with family. Financial independence means having enough savings and investments to cover your living expenses without relying on a regular paycheck. It's a dream for many, but the path to get there often seems confusing. This video will guide you through simple, clear steps to achieve financial independence and retire early. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to improve your strategy, you'll find practical tips and advice here. By following these steps, you too can gain the freedom to live life on your own terms, just like Alex. Number 1. Understanding financial independence. Financial independence means you have enough money to live without needing to work for income. It's like having a big savings account that pays for your expenses. Key ideas include passive income, which is money you earn without working for it, like from investments or rental properties. Another important idea is net worth, which is the value of everything you own minus what you owe. Many people think financial independence is only for the rich, but that's not true. It's about managing your money wisely, saving, and investing. You don't need to live extremely cheaply to achieve it. You just need a smart plan. Financial independence gives you the freedom to choose how you spend your time, whether it's traveling, pursuing hobbies, or spending more time with family. It's a goal anyone can reach with the right steps and commitment. Number 2. Setting clear financial goals. Setting clear financial goals is the first step towards financial independence. Goals help you know where you're going and keep you motivated. Start by thinking about what you want to achieve. Do you want to pay off debt, save for a house, or retire early? Make your goals specific. Instead of saying, "I want to save money," say, "I want to save $10,000 in 2 years." This makes your goal clear and measurable. Goals should also be achievable and relevant to your life. Don't set a goal that's too hard or doesn't matter to you. Lastly, give your goals a time frame. This creates a deadline that helps you stay on track. By setting SMART goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, you create a clear roadmap for your financial journey. These goals will guide your decisions and keep you focused on achieving financial independence. Number 3. Creating a budget and tracking expenses. Creating a budget is like making a plan for your money. It helps you see where your money goes and how you can save more. Start by listing all your income, like your paycheck or any other money you receive. Next, list all your expenses, such as rent, groceries, and entertainment. Make sure to include both regular bills and occasional expenses. Compare your income to your expenses. If you're spending more than you earn, look for areas where you can cut back. Tracking your expenses is also important. Write down everything you spend money on, even small purchases. This helps you see patterns and find ways to save. You can use tools and apps to make tracking easier. By sticking to a budget and keeping an eye on your spending, you can save more money and get closer to achieving financial independence. Number 4. Building an emergency fund. An emergency fund is money set aside for unexpected expenses, like car repairs or medical bills. It's your safety net, helping you avoid debt when surprises happen. Start by setting a goal to save at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This means if you spend $2,000 a month, aim to save between $6,000 and $12,000. Begin by saving a small amount each month. Even $50 or $100 adds up over time. Keep this money in a separate, easily accessible account, like a savings account, so you can get to it quickly when needed. Avoid investing it in stocks or other risky places where you could lose money. An emergency fund gives you peace of mind and financial stability. It's an important step on your journey to financial independence, ensuring that you're prepared for life's unexpected challenges. Number 5. Paying off debt. Paying off debt is crucial for achieving financial independence. Debt can be a big obstacle because it takes away money you could be saving or investing. Start by listing all your debts, including credit cards, student loans, and any other loans. Note the amount owed, interest rates, and minimum payments. There are two popular methods to pay off debt: the snowball method and the avalanche method. The snowball method involves paying off the smallest debt first, giving you quick wins and motivation. The avalanche method focuses on paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first, saving you more money in the long run. Choose the method that works best for you. Make extra payments whenever possible and avoid taking on new debt. By systematically paying off your debts, you free up money for savings and investments, bringing you closer to financial independence. Number 6. Increasing income streams. Increasing your income helps you reach financial independence faster. One way to do this is by starting a side hustle, like freelancing, selling handmade crafts, or driving for a ride-sharing service. Side hustles can provide extra cash that you can save or invest. Another way is to invest in stocks, bonds, or real estate, which can earn you passive income. Passive income means you make money with little effort once the initial setup is done. Improving your skills and education can also lead to better job opportunities and higher salaries. Consider taking courses or earning certifications in your field. Networking and building connections can open doors to new job offers or business opportunities. Diversifying your income streams reduces risk and increases financial security. By finding ways to earn more money, you can save and invest more, accelerating your journey to financial independence. Number 7. Investing for the future. Investing is a key part of achieving financial independence. It helps your money grow over time. Start by learning the basics of investing. Stocks, bonds, and real estate are common investment options. Stocks are shares in a company, bonds are loans to a company or government, and real estate involves buying property. Consider opening a retirement account, like a 401k or IRA. These accounts offer tax benefits and help you save for the future. Diversification is important, which means spreading your money across different investments to reduce risk. Don't put all your money in one place. Start investing as early as possible, even if it's just a small amount. Over time, your investments can grow significantly thanks to compound interest, which means you earn money on both your initial investment and the interest it has already earned. Investing wisely can bring you closer to financial independence and a secure future. Number 8. Living below your means. Living below your means is essential for achieving financial independence. It means spending less than you earn and saving the difference. Start by reviewing your expenses and identifying areas where you can cut back. This might include eating out less, canceling unused subscriptions, or finding cheaper alternatives for everyday items. Focus on needs versus wants. Prioritize essential expenses like housing, food, and transportation, and limit spending on non-essential items. Creating a budget can help you stay on track. Look for ways to reduce costs, such as shopping sales, using coupons, or buying secondhand items. Also, consider lifestyle changes like cooking at home instead of dining out or using public transport instead of owning a car. Saving the extra money allows you to build an emergency fund, pay off debt, and invest for the future. Living below your means helps you achieve financial stability and move closer to financial independence. Number 9. Regular financial checkups. Regular financial checkups are important to stay on track towards financial independence. Just like you visit a doctor for a health checkup, you should review your finances regularly. Start by setting a schedule, like once a month or every quarter, to look at your financial situation. Review your budget to see if you're sticking to it and meeting your savings goals. Check your expenses to identify any unnecessary spending. Look at your debts and see if you're making progress in paying them off. Also, review your investments to ensure they are performing well and aligned with your goals. Adjust your financial plan if needed. For example, if you got a raise, decide how to allocate the extra money towards savings or debt repayment. Regular financial checkups help you make sure you're on the right path and allow you to make changes to achieve financial independence more efficiently. Number 10. The psychological aspect of financial independence. Achieving financial independence isn't just about money. It's also about having the right mindset. First, believe that financial independence is possible for you. This positive attitude keeps you motivated and focused on your goals. Next, develop good financial habits, like saving regularly and spending wisely. These habits help you stay disciplined even when it's challenging. Understand that patience is key. Reaching financial independence takes time and effort. Learn to cope with setbacks, like unexpected expenses or market downturns, by staying calm and sticking to your plan. Surround yourself with supportive people who encourage your financial goals. Avoid comparing yourself to others, as everyone's financial journey is different. Celebrate small achievements along the way to stay motivated. Remember, financial independence gives you freedom and peace of mind, so it's worth the effort. By maintaining a positive and resilient mindset, you can overcome challenges and achieve financial independence. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. And if you made it to this point of the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.